There is a vitamin that protects your eggs, energizes sperms, supports implantation, and was once called the fertility vitamin. Hi, I'm Dr. Swarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Today we are going to talk about vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that quietly influences your chances of pregnancy. If you're planning a baby, stay with me. How can vitamin E be so critical for fertility? Well, this vitamin is a fat-soluble antioxidant. This means that it protects cell membranes from oxidative stress, which is one of the biggest enemies of fertility. Let's start with women. Vitamin E helps in improving egg quality, supports follicle development, increases endometrial thickness, and improves blood flow to the uterus. In addition to this, it reduces inflammation and supports implantation. Low vitamin E is linked to poor egg quality, thin endometrium, recurrent implantation failure, and higher miscarriage risk. In men, vitamin E improves sperm motility, sperm morphology, sperm count, and DNA integrity. It protects sperm membranes from oxidative damage and improves fertilization capacity of sperms, especially when combined with vitamin C. There are some signs that you may be deficient, which you need to pay attention to. It's very common, especially with processed diets. Many people are now vitamin D deficient. So what are the signs? Dry skin, hair fall, muscle weakness, fatigue, poor immunity are common signs in fertility patients. In addition to all this, we see poor egg quality, low sperm motility, repeated implantation failures or IVF failures. Oxidative stress usually builds silently, and the best way to deal with it is improving your diet. Top foods which include vitamin E are almonds, hazelnuts, peanuts, avocado, sunflower seeds, spinach, broccoli, olive oil, mango, whole grains. All these are good. Because vitamin E is fat soluble, eat these foods with healthy fats for better absorption. Supplements are also important, especially in fertility care. Supplements are useful when egg or sperm quality is poor, oxidative stress is high, IVF is planned, or recurrent implantation failure is already observed. Typical fertility doses are 200 to 400 international units daily, and vitamin E works best when combined with vitamin C, selenium, zinc, and omega-3. Avoid high doses without supervision. Excess vitamin E can affect blood clotting also. Remember that vitamin E protects eggs, it strengthens sperm, it supports implantation, and if your pregnancy is being delayed due to nutrient deficiencies, add vitamin E. Sometimes smallest nutrients can make a very big difference. If you wish to know more, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.